UPS just dropped these off. So let's see what's inside these. Oh yeah, finally got it. Finally got it. iPhone 13 Pro Max. Where else is it? Oh, nothing else. Beauty. Beautiful. Beautiful. Of course, now there's no charger, no headphone, nothing. It's only this lightning to USB-C connector, and that's it. That's all you get. So for the glass protector, I'm using Spigen brand. As usual, I got this from Amazon Canada. It's a 2-pack for $19. So this way I can use each screen protector for each phone. So here we go. Have to remove this tab, align and put the applicator, and press and slide. Remove the tab and get rid of the bubbles. Now I'm installing the Catalyst case, courtesy of Catalyst themselves. Just so you know, I've been a Catalyst user for the last, I think, 4 or 5 years. So when they offered this Active Defense Influence Series case, it's just a perfect fit for me. For my other phone, I'm using my Razer Arctech case. This pattern inside the case, it's supposed to be an air cooling channel to cool down the phone. And the case material itself is made of anti-bacterial material. So now I'm going to start transferring my data from one phone to the next, and hopefully it works well. And for the first time, I'll be using this lightning to USB camera adapter, and then at the end over here, I will plug it in to the USB connector of the other lightning connector. So I can just do the transfer from phone to phone using wired connection. Hopefully it's going to be more stable and faster too. So this is how the cable looks like. So I'm doing this ID. I just need to enter the passcode of the old phone. So we're using this option, transfer from iPhone to iPhone. And it starts doing its thing. So I'll see you on the other side. So what do I think about iPhone 13 Pro Max? Well, quite honestly, for $2,000 Canadian after tax and everything, I'm expecting something a lot more. Compared to my iPhone 8 Plus, I expected the 13 Pro Max will offer something that's a lot more than what it actually delivers. Yes, I get a big improvement on the video side and on the photography side. But in terms of processor, although it claims to be that much more powerful, in reality, playing my regular CPU intensive game, The Simpsons Tapped Out, it's not that much of a difference between 8 Plus and iPhone 13. It's supposed to be much better, at least in my head, but the lag, it's still there, and the slowness, because I created such a huge Springfield in that game, it takes a while for everything to load up to the phone. So after about 2 days playing with my phone, all I can say it's a disappointment. It's a $2,000 disappointment. At least the screen protector and the case from Catalyst, they work really well, and I'm happy with those parts, just not with the iPhone 13 Pro Max itself. Oh well, you win some, you lose some, and this time I lose. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow my Twitter at David Susilo, and read my reviews at davidsusilouncensored.wordpress.com. Bye for now.